Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The topic for today is organization and reorganization of states. This topic is meant for the students of political science of class 12th. This is a subtopic of the chapter Nation Building. Today, we will share our ideas on the topic organization and reorganization of states. As you know that after independence, the biggest challenge that India faced was the integration of princely states with the rest of India. Princely states are those states, small or large, within the British India who enjoyed some sort of autonomy, and according to the partition dictum theory, they were given the choice either to join India or Pakistan or remain independent. At the time of independence, there were 562 princely states in India, and these were separate throughout the India. It was not possible to take all or to merge all of them with the rest of India in good faith. Sardar Patel, the first Home Minister of India, also known as the Iron Man of India, negotiated along with V.P. Menon, the Foreign Secretary of Indian government, with the princely states regarding their accession with India. However, by and large, all princely states had certain concerns or reservations which need to be addressed. Number one, properties and civil liberties of the princes would be taken away. Number two, retaining property and estates. Sardar Patel ensured the princes that there would be no attack on them. They would be eligible to run for government office, public offices, and their private purposes will be guaranteed by the Constitution. It was a hectic job, the genetic problem, how to merge, how these states, princely states would accede to the Indian Union. However, it was not easy to take all these princely states in good faith. There were problems also. Some states, for example Kashmir, the Maharaja of J&K wanted to retain the independent nature of the state. However, attacked by the tribals of Pakistan, Maharaja signed the instrument of accession with Indian Union. Hyderabad and Junagadh were taken by force. Now, accession of Junagadh. Accession of Junagadh. Today we will discuss these two. The accession of two princely states with the rest of India. Number one, accession of Junagadh. Number two, accession of Hyderabad. Junagadh was a princely state. The Nawab or the ruler of Junagadh was a Muslim, or Junagadh was ruled by a Muslim ruler who voted in favor of Pakistan. But the majority of the people of Junagadh were Hindus. They revolted against their Muslim ruler, and he was forced to flee to Karachi. then the Muslim Dewan Shah, Nawaz Bhutto was left with no choice. He had only one alternative: to invite the government of India to look after the administration of the state. So, on 10th November 1947, an agreement was signed, and on 20th February 1948, plebiscite was held in Junagadh. The majority of the people voted in favor of India, so Junagadh became a part of India. यानी जूनागढ़ का हिंदुस्तान से इल्हाक होना। जूनागढ़ जो प्रिंस स्टेट था, उसका रूलर जो था वो मुस्लिम रूलर था, मुसलमान हुक्मरान था। उसकी ख्वाहिश थी कि एक्सेशन पाकिस्तान के साथ होना चाहिए, लेकिन वहाँ की जो अक्सरियत थी वो हिंदूज थी। वो इसके बरक्स उनका सोच था, वो हिंदुस्तान के साथ ज्वाइन करना चाहती थी, और उस रूलर को फिर हिंदुस्तान से भागना पड़ा, और हिंदुस्तान ने उसको टुक ओवर किया। इंडिया ने इस स्टेट को 10 नवंबर 47 को फिर वहाँ पे प्लेबिसाइट हुआ, और लोगों ने हिंदुस्तान के हक में वोट दिया, यानी उन्होंने पसंद किया कि हम इल्हाक एक्सेशन इंडिया के साथ करेंगे। इस तरह इन दिस वे जूनागढ़ became a part of India. Now, number 2, accession of Hyderabad. Hyderabad was also a princely state. It was ruled for a long by the Nizams. The Nizam of Hyderabad was unwilling to accede to India, or we can say that he was willing to join Pakistan or to retain the independent nature of the state. However, Hyderabad was geographically located within the boundaries of India, so the Indians could not tolerate an independent state within the borders of India. A standstill agreement was signed on 20th November 1947, but the Nizam of Hyderabad was in no mood to abide by this agreement, and he violated this agreement several times. Moreover, the Muslim fanatics of Hyderabad, known as Razakars, they threatened that if India would attack Hyderabad, then the Pathans will also invade India. These Razakars, they wanted to establish an independent state of Hyderabad within the boundaries of India with the help of Pakistan. They also threatened that if India attacked Hyderabad, then we will destroy 1.5 crore Hindus of Hyderabad. Their leader was Qasim Rizvi, who made a furious speech in the early months of 1948 that if Hyderabad was attacked by India, we will destroy 1.5 crore Hindus. This news was published in several newspapers of India. Also, while inaugurating the Arms Week in April 48, he said that we want to remain independent, and in case of attack by the Indians, we will resist, and 5 crore Muslims of India would act in faith with community, and they will also help Hyderabad. Alarmed at this situation, Sardar Patel, also known as Iron Man of India, called Qasim Rizvi, the Prime Minister of Hyderabad, to his own office and told him in plain words that I know and you know that Qasim Rizvi, the leader of the Razakars, has usurped or taken over the whole power of the Hyderabad. If this is, and she has threatened to kill 1.5 crore Hindus of Hyderabad in case India attacked Hyderabad. If this is the case, then I will tell you frankly, plainly, and I would not keep you in dark, that we do not agree that Hyderabad would remain an independent state within the boundaries of India, and it will remain an independent state within the boundaries of India, for which we have sacrificed a lot. And if this is the case, then the future of the Nizam dynasty is at stake. Likely, even did not care for this warning of Sardar Patel and Muslim Razakars or volunteers. They began to attack trains which ran from Mumbai to Madras via Hyderabad. About 2,000 congressmen were put in jails and many Hindus were killed. Indians could not tolerate this situation. This kind of conspiracy, as the Nizam of Hyderabad began to purchase arms from Pakistan to prepare himself for any kind of threat posed by the India. The Indians made it clear that we will not view with equanimity in dealing with such a situation. Like Ali told Sardar Patel that Nizam is ready to die as a martyr with 2 lakh Muslims, but is not willing to sign the instrument of accession with India. As talks failed and both parties took opposite stand, the Indians took action and Indian troops entered Hyderabad on September 13, 1948. The Hyderabad, or the troops or the force of Hyderabad, they resisted for a long the Indian aggression, but could not save their state from being occupied. Finally, being a small state in terms of arms, ammunition and population and size, they could not withstand the Indian pressure, and finally Hyderabad surrendered. The troops of Hyderabad, they surrendered on 17th September 1948. In this way, Hyderabad also became a part of India, or it acceded to the Indian Union. Thanks, dear students. I think this is enough for today. And inshallah, from tomorrow, I will take these soft topics in a sequential way so that you will get the maximum benefit. Khuda Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.